How will I lie? I didn't lie.
Yes, you did.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you're welcome to my channel, and if you are all subscriber, my name is Lizzie. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So I'm going to Zurich. Today is my first time going to Zurich here, the big town. So I will take you along, but I think I can't be using camera and buying something, like drawing something around with the camera. It's not going to be possible. So we just arrived to Zurich now. It's raining. First time coming to Zurich to get some Africa food, fish, meat. Yeah, so we are going together. When I go there, I'm going to show you guys. I just arrived now. So forgot to take my selfie stick. I don't know if it's clear. I will just so I just have to buy some fish. Yeah, I'm going to leave the kids inside the car, then buy some fish. I'm going to be taking one oil, like 6 francs. Then I need Mila, Indomie, and yeah. I'm done shopping in Zurich. We are on our way going back now. Look at the kids. Emily wake up, so I want to hit the road now and drive back home. So see you at home, and I'm going to show you what I finally bagged, because I can't find the right shop. I don't really know anywhere here. So the lady that is sending me location, the place this shop is, I tried to reach her. She's not picking her call. Then I have to leave that now and just hit the highway. See you at home. So finally, you see what I got. This is the boot. Is already filled up. Like, I wish the last place I'm going, I can, like, yeah. How will I lie? I didn't lie.
Yes, you did.
They are fighting for lollipop. So you have to come down and go and get some lollipop now. It's just very close if you want to get some lollipop. And you just get one for Clay too.
No, he can get his own by himself. You get my own.
Just get 2, please. Or get 3. I need 1 too, please. It's just straight there where they are selling things there, where they bring things out. So that is it. Yeah, I make my hair this morning before leaving inside. Here is rough anyway. Okay. I wish I can reach that lady. What I really need to get is Shaki and Pomo. So they don't have here. Most of the place I just went to here, they sell is Indian shop, but they sell most of Africa things like palm oil.
I want some of that.
You want what?
I want my food.
Okay, Favor is going to get some lollipop. Let me open it for you. Oh, finally we got home. We got home. Oh, thank you, Jesus, for the journey. 2 hours journey, guys. So we just be taking. It's 2 hours, right?
It's 1 hour, 30 minutes, 30 minutes.
For each one. Yeah, coming back. Coming back with Miss Road and I think it was okay. I think it was okay. So let me say 1 hour. Going back was 1 hour.
No, going to Zurich was 30 minutes. Then coming back was 45 minutes. So it is 1 hour 15 minutes, I think.
For going and coming.
Everyone 8 minutes.
Yeah, 1 hour. But I drive long. My bum is even hurting me. So yeah, here is the family in the car. Family car. So we made it. Now we'll be taking things out. Emily is tired of sitting down, so we'll be taking things out now.
She just came out a minute ago.
I don't know why she's crying.
Stop taking my chair.
When I buy this, they was looking at me thinking like, are you okay? What are you going to do with this? A lot of fresh pepper, like, yeah, I have to buy it. We don't normally go to Zurich, and I will buy a lot of things, like 2 packets of noodles, rice, a lot of meat, packet of fish. That was 2. Then we buy some things here. Fish is already in the storage. I will show you the box of the fish. We just use the opportunity to just travel. The meat, I'm going to do when it's frozen. We can't take them out, like to be melting them and put them back again. Okay. So I just have to. I will show you how I divide them. The meat is not that much, but for meat aspect, I can go to Zurich. Don't driving, taking train is more better. I just want everybody to just go out and come back.
English. Ali.
I don't know who is Ali. I thought you would be lying on there again. I'm in the storage now. Fridge is here, and I always load some things, like extra things we don't use, we load it here. Then here is the packet, the fish pack box is not much. Let me show you. So here, so the steering inside is steering. Then I will just load them inside, like so. Here is the fresh pepper. I will just drop it here, even though it stay 1 month. Like if I want to take, I will just open it and take for the fresh pepper like this. So even though it stay 1 month, 3 weeks, it's not going to spoil, and it's not going to, and nothing will happen to it until like I eat it. Like I make soup. When I make soup, I will bring them here, just keep them here, like, because the fridge, so we have to put this one here to assist us to store some things like frozen things, anything like inside the fridge. You just have to store it here. Thank you so much. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not here, subscribe. Please just hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. Bye.